we're going to finish up this homepage with, let's see, let's do the testimonials first. So here, as you can see, there are, let's see how many testimonials. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to go ChatGPT, create for test. Okay, so here we have the first one. It's important to have testimonials of real customers. Local, as you don't want to deceive your customers. Can't stress this enough. It's very important. Okay, let's go to the second one. Actually, okay, let's go to the third one. Actually, it looks like we need to remove the quotes. Third one. And the final one. Okay. So here we have testimonials done. We're going to go later and create blog post. We have this. We have the contact information. There's a link to the pages, but let's just those links to it. Okay. Title, description. Create a okay. Oh, let's see how many do we need. Probably need. Oh, we're just gonna leave this. Let's go to here. Okay. Probably don't need this entire thing. So just do two paragraphs. Add. There we go. Well, let's do create 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can add more FAQs if you want. So let's just, we're gonna add 5. Okay, let's get some 5 questions and with answers. So let's see here. Let's start with the first one, and we'll work our way down. Go with the second one. Okay, third one. Again, you can put whatever questions you want in here, with whatever answers. Sometimes if you want to do information about your company, costs, repairs, warranties, whatever you think is right for your business, can go in this section. Yeah. Then we will finish it up with this final one. So now this new one with the answer here. Now, as you can see, you have all these answers for this. Let's see, what else do we need? We have the phone number. Okay, we just need this, and then the home page should be finished. Just going to do something real quick so we can not have to video. We're going to do booking online. Discuss budget. What else do we have? Confirmation. And happy services. Okay. Or to add to my okay. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these. Start off with booking online. And again, you can link these all, where we'll eventually get through the linking process, but let's go ahead and create the content first. Let's see. Oh, this. Finish this up. And this. Okay, this should be everything we need for the content of this home page. So I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And let's see what other pages we need fix. Let's go take a look at the home page. Okay, this looks good so far. Yep. The FAQ section. Dedicated experts. And some reviews. The blog. So let's go next to the choose and team. We're going to change this, instead of choose, be why us. So let's go back to the menu. Menus, main menu, choose this to be why us. Publish. Okay, about why us, so then might as well also edit this page, start off here. So what we need to do is change the URLs from choose. So let's see, here we go. First we're gonna go here, why us, and then why dash us, okay? update. Then we're going to go to this page and team. So let's start off by, let's see what we don't want. Looks like these are all good. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some content there, and team looks good as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just add content for each of these. Actually, while we're here, let's go ahead into the FAQ page and actually do that first, since we already have 5 questions. Where do we have that? FAQs, I believe. Here we go. So FAQ, we're going to edit this. We're going to change this. Buttons, correct, title. Okay. And now let's do the FAQs. I believe there's only 5. So you can either keep the same 5 or make changes, add more, use different ones. It's all up to you. But what we're going to do is we're just going to use the same ones. Okay. Let's do, I think, just 2 more. And then the final one. Let's do, there we go. We'll delete these. Okay. This page is done. Now we need YS and team. So I believe these section is the same. Yeah, so we're gonna do write something. Well, let's go to Elementor real quick. Have that load. And let's go to this section. I guess here you can adjust what you want, your color, your score, your title, but we need this. We're gonna do okay. Let's go ahead and do this as well. For this, it's going to be the same. Okay. I believe that's all it was for, yep, for this page. So we're just going to update it. Can we change this? We can. So we're just going to do pro local HVAC. Just gonna go pro local so that it looks nice. Okay. Let's see, what else do we need? we need, I believe this is the same as these. So we're just going to copy content. I believe these are both, yep, the same. You can have different ones, same ones. Again, this is all up to what you believe is best for your business. And here we go. That's that. Let's work our way up. Reliable. Do we have anything here on this page? No. So we'll do, what else do we have here? What we'll do is core features. I believe there was something. No. So let's get finished this and we'll be good for all these pages. So let's go here. Again, you can keep this page, delete it. This image doesn't look that nice. We're going to delete that image. Just going to add a spacer. Actually, I wonder if this, let's see. Okay. It looks much better. And so now here we need these. Go back to this. 1. 2. 3. And 4. It's actually spelled incorrect as well. Center. How much do you write one sentence? Tens. Okay. So let's start off by satisfied service. Okay. Now affordable price. Support. There we go. So that's that, and then actually what we'll do is we'll just take this. How do we, let's see, how do you find this? Oh, here we go. We will just use this for now, for YS. Oh, is that all? Thought there was something missing. Okay, that looks good. Again, there's buttons, but we'll go ahead and later on in the steps we'll make those changes. So let's just refresh, make sure we have majority of the content. Start with the home page. All of the content has been completed. Okay, all the FAQs, reviews. Okay, so we can go YS, team. I think there's an about page itself. Yeah, we need to do this as well. So we're gonna go do that. YS has been done. team has been done. There's FAQ, contact, project, and blog. FAQ has been done. Contact has been done. Project, looks like it's there. Oh, gonna add a contact form here, so let's do that as well. And blog is, we're gonna have a separate video later on regarding blog content. So let's go ahead and just add a contact form. Contact form, here we go. There's also other types of forms. There's like an appointment form, where you just select your options. CTA form, about form. I'm just gonna go to contact form. Okay, publish this. Okay, done. So let's finish about, and I believe we can take most of it from pre-existing content. So for this information, what we have is already all this, similar to some of the other ones. Let's do this. This and this. Okay, that's that. Customer reviews we have done already. Let's see for Renault. Let's see if we can find them. Here we go. Can we highlight these? No. So we're just gonna go here and copy it from this back section. Renault. Here we go. Then we need David. Linda. Oh, it's the same person, looks like, actually, now that I think of it. So we're going to change this person's name just for demonstration purposes. We're going to call him James. Let's see. James Hall. We're also going to name them James Hall. Okay, we're going to go to publish that. So that's been updated on the home page. What else do we need to do? These are blog posts, team. Okay, about the company. So let's go back. We have something already. Just gonna copy this. Here we go, description. Okay. Okay, these are buttons that we'll do in QA. There we go. So now you have all the content done on your main pages except for blogs, which we'll go ahead in another article or another video demonstrating that. And then we'll get into QA testing once we have the blog content completed and the links all done. So stay tuned for the next video.